Hi, my name is Nicole. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to balance algebraic equations using inverse operations. Enjoy! 3 key points to remember when solving algebraic equations using inverse operations. First, inverse operations are two operations that have the opposite effect, such as multiplication and division or addition and subtraction. Second, whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do the same to the other side in order to keep the equation balanced. And third, always check your answers. Let's start off with an easy problem. We have to isolate the variable x by getting rid of the plus 10. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction, so I subtract 10. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you must do to the other. So I'll do the same. This eliminates plus 10, and 30 minus 10 equals 20. Now we have to check our answers. Substitute x for 20 in the original equation. (20 plus 10 is 30, and 30 equals 30. So now we know that our answer was correct. Here's a slightly harder problem. 5x minus 1 equals 24. Again, we have to isolate the variable by getting rid of the minus 1. To do that, we need to find the inverse of subtraction, which is addition. Now we add 1 to both sides of the equal sign. That eliminates the minus 1 and gives us 5 times x equals 25. The inverse of multiplication is division, so we divide by 5 to isolate the variable. Remember to do the same on the other side. X is now equal to 5. Now we have to check our answers. Substitute x for 5 on the original equation. 5 times 5 minus 1 equals 24. 5 times 5 is 25, and bring down everything you haven't touched. 25 minus 1 is 24, and 24 equals 24, which means our answer is correct. Now let's try one last problem. 2x plus 5 equals 29. To isolate the variable, we have to get rid of the plus 5. The inverse of addition is subtraction, so we have to subtract 5 on both sides of the equal sign. This eliminates the plus 5 and gives us 2 times x equals 24. The inverse of multiplication is division, so we have to divide by 2 to isolate the variable. And remember, do the same on the other side. Now we have x equals 12. Now let's check our answers. Substitute x for 12 in the original equation and bring everything in. 2 times 12 equals 24. And bring down everything that you haven't touched. 24 plus 5 equals 29. And 29 equals 29, which means our answer is correct. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.